If you watched the first video on how to create a home that heals, then you already know how much your home matters to God. And that desire that you have for His peace and His presence and that calming atmosphere in your home, that desire, my friend, is holy. And it's what God desires for you too. When we created 8 simple ways to create a peaceful home, I had no idea how many of you were longing for a home that feels like a refuge, a place where God's presence is felt, and a space where your soul can breathe again. I know what it's like to walk through seasons where the atmosphere in your home feels heavy and chaotic and spiritually dry. I know what it's like to struggle to feel God's presence in the midst of everyday chaos. But I also know the relief that comes when God begins to restore peace in your home, room by room and moment by moment. And this is why I am excited to tell you, friend, we're just getting started. Because the response was so huge and resonated with so many, we are creating a brand new series all about creating a peaceful, God-centered home. In the coming weeks, we'll talk about how to spiritually cleanse your home, how to shift the atmosphere when things feel heavy, how to speak life and blessing over your family, practical ways to create rhythms of peace, how to make your home a place of healing and hospitality, and how to welcome God's presence in simple, powerful ways. And feel free to drop your suggestions in the comments. Let me know, what is it you want to learn about creating a peaceful home? What questions do you have? Let me know. Also, I want to tell you that since this is a brand new series and we are starting from scratch, it is going to take us a little while. It's going to take us a few weeks to put it all together. But as we get new episodes available, we are just going to go ahead and upload them so that you can enjoy them one by one until we have the full series. But in the meantime, we have so many other videos on our YouTube channel. We have videos that are going to help you to build relationship with God, or learn to hear God's voice, or receive a revelation of God's love for you. So I hope you'll check out some of the other videos while you wait for us to put together this new video series on creating a peaceful home. If how to create a peaceful home that heals stirred something in you, if you are hungry for more of God's peace and presence in your home, then stay with me. And together, let's keep building that peaceful home together.